This is East North Carolina back with another video. The following video is fictional, and should be used for entertainment and joking purposes only. Any relation to real-life events is purely coincidental. This presentation contains loud sounds that may be disturbing. This presentation also contains emergency alert tones. Misuse of emergency alert tones is a felony, and can put the offender in legal trouble. I'm not responsible for these emergency alert system tones. Viewer discretion is advised.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and along with the United States government. There have been reports of buildings, hospitals, and homes have been disappearing and designating in a matter of seconds. It is also being reported that people are aging backwards down the age of 5. In regards of this unusual situation, it has been noted that the year has been going backwards by 5 years, 4 to 3 weeks, and is most likely to be the cause of this. Over approximately 9 million deaths have been confirmed, and the year is expected to unfortunately to continue to go backwards as time progresses. A solution for this is currently in the process to try to resolve this dangerous and unusual situation. No emergency action is needed at this time, but all residents in the United States are strongly advised to remain indoors until the situation is resolved. Tune in the local outlets when they become available on this unusual, life-threatening and dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. It is reported that people are now aging all the way down to 0. The death toll has risen to 25 million to 30 million deaths. This dangerous situation is still yet to be resolved, and a solution for this is still in the process. All residents in the United States are strongly advised to stay indoors and stay vigilant at this time. Tune into local outlets when they become available on this life-threatening and dangerous situation.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
This is the end. This is how.